Good morning. It is Wednesday, November the 4th, 2020, and today we're going to go over to Animal Kingdom Park. But first, we're heading over to Gasparillo's Island for breakfast here at the Grand Floridian. This is the beach pool here at the Grand Floridian. Those stairs there lead up to the water slide. It has a zero entry on this end here. Lots of seating and a little cabana area over there. And the beach's pool bar and grill. This is the little kiddie pool play area. It is right beside the beach's pool. There's little slides and little buckets and things that dump water. This is Gasparillo's Island Grill.
Did you see that?
I want to look up this. You want to come into the family, maybe.
Calling up the Pandora photo systems. Check wind guards.
Active Bio 1.
So that Avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Click the link above to see the complete Flight of Passage point of view ride.
Daily tours at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. 800 square miles of good
Kilimanjaro Safari. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias. Hello everyone, and welcome to Kilimanjaro Safari. Before you begin your trip, you should know when you go to Safari transport, please get seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside, and remember to watch the
There's some animals walking around. Those are the white rhinoceros, friends. I'm going to whisper. They don't have good hearing, they don't have good eyesight, but they have excellent hearing. I mean, imagine that animal weighs about 5,000 pounds. Just gonna let him know I'm here. I don't want to startle it. And again, those beautiful lions on the Kopi. You see the wide snout of this rhinoceros compared to the black rhino? This white rhino actually grazes on grass.
Safari 3, departure 3 in the John. Safari 3, departure 3 in the John.
They are huge. Friends, I apologize for the inconvenience. The animals do have the right of way here on the reserve. I don't know about you guys, but there's no other place I'd rather be held up than right here on the reserve with all these beautiful animals today. Unfortunately, guys, when it comes to conservation, the rhinoceros is being poached today as well for their horns. There are less than 5,000 rhinoceros in the world. I really don't understand it, guys. The rhinoceros's horn is made out of keratin, which is like your fingernail and hair. Their horn actually has no scientific or medicinal value to us as human beings. If you guys have been following news on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, we had the birth of a baby rhino a couple weeks ago. Oh my, they are huge. It looks like we're not going anywhere.
Reserve 1 from Safari 26. One back. Back on the Great news, close that guy, please.
Reserve 1, Safari 18.
One back.
Only for the rhino at the Kopi.
Maintain 10 feet, call me back in 30 seconds.
before. I've never heard.
Okay, guys, let's move on.
Oh dear.
Holding for another rhino at the Gobi.
10-4, maintain 10 feet, call me back in 30 seconds.
Well, guys, there's a beautiful view of the beautiful lions over there on the Gobi. Okay, here we go. Friends of having Wilderness Explorers on board Wilderness Explorers, you need to know the name of my truck to get this.
Back at our secret hideaway here at Animal Kingdom Park. Shaded with a fan. And that concludes our day here at Animal Kingdom Park, Walt Disney World, November the 4th, 2020.